everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out safely without losing game progress. First, make sure your account is linked. Check that your game is connected to Apple ID, Google or email. Linked accounts save progress in the cloud. Next, save your connect progress. Go ahead and open your settings app and then search for cloud save and then account sync, and in open settings search cloud save or account sync, and then make ensure your latest progress is uploaded. And then next, in the last, what you're gonna do is you have to log out from settings, tap profile icon, settings and log out. Your data remains safe if it's in iCloud. Quick fix: if the progress seems missing after login, log back in with the same linked account. Force close and reopen the app to refresh your sync data, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.